Belfon Community College Yap Shillong Kalapli ka agro-based food processing industry computer center ban penchlori kinong seng kam lejong. Kajing kemujong kini kalong ban ajing kai yikitu kipa angnut ban seng yala kijong ki kam kijam bat ban yeng halor kijong ki kejat. UMDC kamaukar uba penshngan NCM ulalong ukongsan hakate kasngi. Ka Executive Officer jangka KVIC ka Josephine Zodin Poiru kala donlang hakate kasngi.
Noble venture that you launched out today, which speaks volumes of your interest for the growth and livelihood of the society. In a challenging and competitive world today, competency in technology, life skills, and income-generating activities is indeed the most urgent need of the hour. The event that we celebrate today showcases the passion of this center for the type of lifelong learning of all those who frequent this institution, to provide not just necessary academic knowledge, but also the required skills and for life sustenance. I am sure this undertaking of this day will help to explore and push back the frontiers of knowledge towards the less privileged children and young people of the society in many ways, and to instill in the young people passion for lifelong learning in pursuit of knowledge to make them sustainable, competitive, and employable. On the occasion of this inaugural ceremony, I would like to convey my best wishes and God's blessings to every member who forms part of this institution, that your effort to reach out to the needs of the society may open wider prospects for many young people in particular. I also appreciate very much the interest of the Department of the Khadi and Village Industries to come up with this initiative to network with BCC in this project, which will undoubtedly enhance the zeal of our youngsters in the field of technology and agro-based activities. I am sure this combined effort will open ways for many more opportunities for young people that will subsequently boost up the employment and economic returns in the society. We look forward to more associations and networking for the betterment of the society. Once again, I wish all the best.
Sister Helen, I can do one give you by compare me. Compare. You each night. Now, what you have a vision to me? Pray God at one time. The Papa Chance will get the same vision as Sister Helen. So that when Holland we get of all the consequences. Time has come that we should not be too much only on some other kind of development that cannot survive economically. We should look at some kind of project that enjoy economically, that create employment. So, I can pass along Sister Helen, my vision. But start a new team. But mine. No, in place of just look at a new team. No, talking say, you haven't basically but mine. Belong unique, belong compare. Now, kita ini sekian ni. Kita sudah jadi kos micro beans industry. Nangik ba kan niya sibo niya ni. Berkembang tanpa kanu kagam tentang banglong simkiade. Bei ban sudah tangder hukum. Di ban simkiade. Bahagi upon ini berkenaan ini big industries kan, you have a small kind of cooperative society there. They buy there. They become big industry. Di mana people that study small industry of here, tapi ini apa yang buat besar? Tanpa ada pedokor kita mau tangani kau. Ini bantu sepat ni lagi. Bantu sepat ni juga yang mau. Nah, saya tu bang, we are in a generation where so much self-centeredness. You want everything to a family for a personal benefit, not for the benefit of society. Dengan banyak ini nak hamroy, long yang I come nanti juga. Kajian ni kerja penbon di nong tray, ya kenang bagai kau benefit yang kita lihat mesti bah, mau pakai kaki. Ekonomi If we are dependent on our traditional economy, then it will not be good for us. We should look in the new kind of economy, so that new kind of initiative. We cannot only depend on big industries. Remember my words. We should not be too much dependent on big industries. We need micro industries so that each and every small people can survive. So I just want to say that Harim told me that we need to improve that playground for the school children here. I told her, if I have no skill, also I have to take loan from somewhere. Because I am proud to have such noble institute in my constituency. In my constituency. Many people will enjoy economically from this institute after they complete their trainings. They can get NAMTA for the personal way for benefit of all to attend this program. Because I learned so many things from Sister Helen, from many sisters we have here, beautiful, beautiful. So I learned so many things to enrich myself, so that I contribute to others. When I get something from Sister Helen, I give to others. Congratulations for boys and girls, beautiful dance, beautiful song, beautiful presentation. I feel very happy to sit here, not only because of this program, but for you also, because of beautiful programs, beautiful presentation given to us this morning. So I really enjoy. So I do hope that this center will be a success. God will bless this center in the day to come, and all of this, but the training work will bring the clearly. But we can enjoy the Roy Institute. Because along with this, the Catholic Social, the Thank you so much.